Hey Sagittarius, so the next 48 hours for you, some of you guys could be going through like a writer's block, all right? Some kind of stagnation around your creativity, around your job, all right? Some of you guys feel like there's no forward movement, all right? Maybe you guys want to do more. There's like an energy, yeah, Ten of Swords, Two of Wands. There's like a defeating energy, like where do I move now from here? Some of you guys may feel like your job is clipping your wings or you're not moving up the corporate ladder. There's a very big emphasis on a career, all right? I don't feel like money is really the big of an issue here. For some of you, it may be. It feels more so like the passion, the moving on up. I've been here kind of a while and I don't see much changing. You know, I want to take a new direction. I just don't know how to do that. All right. As far as your love energy, I do see people that may be hitting you up, or one person specifically, but I feel like you're definitely with the Seven of Swords avoiding them because you feel like right now I have bigger fish to fry, right? I'm more so thinking about my stability. What's the next things for some of you? This could be even a situation around